What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, Advocate Mngomezulu was questioning Chris Mangena during a cross examination. And during that cross examination, he was actually asking Mangena about the characteristics of a full metal jacket on the bullets used in the case. So, Mangena then highlighted the differences between the FMJ test bullets fired at shooting range and the actual bullet that was recovered from the crime scene at the Kumalo house. You know, that bullet was found on top of a kitchen sink, so it was now being tested. So Advocate Mgomezulu was like kind of like suggesting that that bullet which was found at the Kumalo house, it may not match the FMJ test bullets. So here Advocate Mgomezulu was more of like implying about potential discrepancies in the ballistic evidence which was being presented by the prosecution. But how will this bullet not match the FMJ? There are several ways, like for example, there can be a projectile type. The FMJ bullets are like typically designed with the lead core encased in hard metal jacket, which may prevent deformation. And there are other reasons like manufacturing differences, firing and barrel interaction, so or maybe damage during impact. So when the bullet hits a surface, you know that bullet at the Kumalo house, it hit the floor and it shattered. So when it shattered, it may undergo like significant deformation, and this damage to this bullet may make it hard to test the FMJ bullet. And so that's why Mgomezulu was actually questioning the FMJ match, because it could be based on discrepancies on how this bullet was actually found. So tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.